So you've got yourself a Jaguar XF, 5 litre supercharged like this, or maybe one of the diesel models, got a Land Rover, a Range Rover, or any other make and model of car supported through the Powergate 4, well, this tool is going to unlock the potential of your engine. With multiple maps available, allowing you the freedom to choose which drive setting you want for any given journey on any given day, plug the Powergate in, get your smartphone out, and with the app you can quickly and easily switch between any of the available maps and tunes for your vehicle. You want more performance? Looking for more economy? Blend of mix and both? Or you're looking for that full-on track day experience with your pops and bangs and overrun for off-road use? The Powergate supports that choice. So let's jump into the car and show you just how easy it is to use. So simply plug into the car's OBD port, that's the onboard diagnostic port. We're going to grab our smartphone and we can see already Powergate's powering up, it's got power through the diagnostic port. I'm going to jump to the phone and follow the steps and procedures on there. So we've got our dashboard on, we've got the Powergate connected up, we've got the app open, and for peace of mind, we've put a trickle charger or stabilised battery supply unit onto the vehicle. Whilst the reading's only 10-15 minutes and the writing's similar on this vehicle, it's always good if the car's been stationary for a while or parked up for a few days, get the battery on charge with, as I said, a stable power supply or trickle charger, just for peace of mind. Let's get straight into the app. So with the app itself, we have a full training video that you'll be able to see up here if you click the link. And that'll take you through the step-by-step process of setting up the app for the first time, registering your account, and guiding you through all the various steps that you need to read the vehicle and to send the file through to one of our trained team who are going to make your tuning files for you, sending them back and how you upload them back onto the device itself. It's really easy to use. Just a few clicks on the app and you'll be able to tune your car. So we connected the Bluetooth and our Wi-Fi. We're simply going to use the menus, really easy on the screen, to click on our manufacturer and to select our vehicle. So of course we're tuning our wonderful Jaguar XF 5 litre today. Jaguar, petrol, select our XF and then move on to the next screen. So we can see our ECU. We're going to click on the ECU option and then just follow the instructions on the screen in the app to make sure that we've got the right cable connected up and everything's ready to take the read. So first things first, we'll grab our ID, just checking we've got communication. And once that's completed, we're then going to go through the reading process. And it is really easy to follow. It's going to tell you every step of the way. If it wants the ignition on, turn the ignition off. If there's low power and it needs that stabiliser on the back, because you've had the car in storage over the winter, you're getting it out in the summer, ready to swap to one of your performance tunes or maybe the Thrill Me map for the track. Before you go and put that file on there, make sure the car's got some nice stable power supply on it. So really simple now. Press the read, press the next button and follow the instructions on the screen again. Again, the whole process is so easy. Really simple app to use. We get told what to do each step of the way. So you don't need to be a professional tuner. You don't need to be bolting bigger parts onto your car yourself. This is designed for anyone and everyone to be able to use through the app. It's so simple to switch between your different drive settings with the Powergate 4 software. Whether it's your Jaguar, Land Rover, BMW, Merc or whatever other make and model of car you've got, Powergate 4 puts the power in your hands, freedom to switch between those different drive settings, those different tunes, as and when you please. So we'll follow the instructions, we'll get the file read, and then jump back into the writing after. So whilst that's taken a read, let me just explain a few things about the tuning. Now, all of Visu's tuning comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Our files are insured, and they're all dyno tested, as you'll see in this video on our Mustang MD500 3,000 horsepower capable dyno. We know what these engines are capable of, we know where the safe limitations are, and we always tune to that safe, reliable limit. So you've got the peace of mind that we're unlocking the full potential of your vehicle, whether it's performance tuning with the Excite Me or Thrill Me maps for a track, or you're looking more for the eco or the blend options for your diesel vehicle, bit of performance, bit of economy, or even valet mode. Leaving your expensive car at the airport or the hotel, put it into our Park Me option for our drive setting, and it will reduce the power, giving you that peace of mind that your car is not going to be raced and rallied when you're not present. You don't need a laptop with this. It works just from the app on your smartphone or device. Just need the Powergate 4, the cable, and your wonderful car. Once the reading's completed, it's going to automatically upload it to the Visu technical team ready for tuning. Once they've completed the tuning, you'll get an in-app notification telling you it's ready. So you don't need to keep checking or looking at emails. It's all done through your smart app. Really, really easy to use and convenient for you. And remember, once you finish reading your vehicle, you can then go and run any errands, drive anywhere you need to, go to that important meeting, pick up the kids from school, get the groceries, whatever you need, the car is still fully drivable. Once the reading's complete, that's done. You can disconnect from the car as the instructions say. We can see on the screen it's exporting the read file to the technical team. Remember, they're on 7 days a week from 7 AM every day on phone and email, so there's always someone there to be contacted for any help or guidance you need with the app. So as easy as that, we've got our files back from the Vizu technical team. We're going to click on writing and see what options we've got available. Now, depending on your vehicle and what you've requested, will determine the tuning files that you get back. On our wonderful XFR 5 litre, we have quite a few options. I've got the XFR burble me option. So if I'm at an off-road event, a show or a meet, I've got the option of turning the burbles on so I can hear all those lovely sounds from that big gurgling V8 through the back of the exhaust. And when I'm done at the show, I can swap back to one of my other tune files, whether it's the Excite Me for my full performance or even the Thrill Me for my track-based map. I can select that, upload it to the car in a couple of minutes, and I'm on my way with my alternate tune. I've also got on here the Park Me option. So if I have to leave my car with a valet or need to leave it anywhere for an extended period of time and the keys aren't in my possession, I can set the Park Me and be reassured that I've got a nice, safe, reduced power tune on the car, so no one's going to be driving my car aggressively without me present. So on this one, we want the full beans, don't we? I'm going to press the Thrill Me. I've got the full power map on, unlock the full potential of this car, nice aggressive throttle, and then we're going to give it a run on the dyno and hear what this animal sounds like. The Powergate 4, along with all of our products, comes with fast, free, worldwide tax-free sales and shipping. Contact us today, 01789 774444 to talk to one of our team, or you can email us at info@vizu.com for more information. Thanks for watching.